This will be replacing my 2015, late 2015 MacBook Pro Intel. I initially was getting the Max processor, but after kind of looking at the YouTube reviews, I realized that I'm just not going to need that much power at all. I don't do 4K, well, maybe not 4K, but 8K video editing, among other things. And the Max is not a gaming PC. You can't really game on it. You can, frame rates are okay, but these are not gaming machines. These are for work. And I'll be using this not only for work, but for play. So that's about it. You've seen many of these unboxings, and they weren't kidding. This thing is heavy. This is a solid piece of equipment right here. This is really heavy. So I want to open this thing up, kind of get my thoughts on it. Wow, dang, this is really heavy. Okay, how do I open this here? Okay, here's the tab on the side, and there it is. That's pretty easy. All right, don't drop this. That'd be really bad. Okay, here it is. I got the silver. I was gonna get the space gray, but after seeing that in person, the space gray just honestly just looks dirty to me. I don't know what it is, but the silver one tends to seem to me has a pop to it. The packaging for Apple's devices are fantastic. This is a step above my last one that I got, my last Mac Pro, as far as the packaging is concerned. It's really nice. It's really well done. It's really thick on the sides. You can tell they put some really time and effort into making sure that the box was really well designed, and it also provides functionality, which is to keeping the inside of the contents safe from breakage. That'd be a disaster. So here it is, the silver 2021 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro. Open this up here, and yes, it is very hefty. It's definitely heavier than my current 2015, and I'll do a little bit side by side with it. I have both of these things set up to kind of see, the differences. Dimension wise, it's pretty exactly the same dimensions in my 2015. I think because they shrank the bezels a little bit, it allowed them to have a little bit more space to add the 16 inches. Without sacrificing the form factor all too much. All right, so I'm going to open this thing up. Packaging is pretty nice. This is kind of like rice paper almost, if you know what I mean. It almost looks like that, but I guess it's their environmentally friendly way of saving the planet here at Apple. Like everyone has mentioned, the embossed on the back with the MacBook Pro logo. Rubber feet, has a very solid feel to it, very industrial, like all Apple products. Everyone was saying that the logo on the back is huge. I can't really tell the difference. And in this light, I can't tell if that's black or silver. It's more than likely silver. It's just a light reflecting off of it that makes it look the way it does. But here it is. Yeah, the ports on the back, as you can see, you've seen this. Everyone has seen this, on YouTube. This is all out over. This is everywhere. Same ports. What's really interesting is the fact that I'm coming from a 2015 to a 2021, and some of the design elements that they've taken away since 2015 with the newer Mac Pros, they brought back with the 2021 Mac Pro, which is really funny because it's literally like I'm stepping away from a 2015 into another version of a newer version of the 2015 Mac Pro. I didn't get the touch bar. I didn't like it. I didn't get the other the touch bar and the butterfly keys and the lack of ports. I skipped all of that. I waited for this one for a very long time for Apple to get it right and bring back an actual Mac Pro computer that epitomized the Pro element. And I think they did a fantastic job on this one. I got the base model, 16-inch. Didn't need all that power. If I end up needing more power, I'll realize that. I can't imagine myself needing that much power, but it turns on instantly. It's a really beautiful screen. I can really tell the 120 hertz right here. It looks just like my iPhone 13 Pro Max I just got. And I did deliver a review of that earlier, but here it is. The keys all look very nice. I prefer the silver one. I think it looks a little bit more classy than the space gray. I think the space gray, to me, I don't know why, it just looks dirty all the time. I don't know. That's just the way I am. I think this silver one just looks way better than the space gray to me. That's my opinion. But I'm gonna go and jump in this thing, get it, set up and everything. And then again, I'll do like a comparison between my 2015 and this Mac Pro. All right, see you in the next one.